So, when you're talking with people that want to be a referral partner for you and want to help you spread the word, make it very easy for them by giving them a physical referral kit. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to show you some of the components that I use most often when I'm having this conversation with my clients who want to advocate and connect me to future prospects. So, offer something. So, like an offer basically means give them something that they can extend on your behalf. Whether that is a discounted treatment, maybe something that's even better than what you offer to the general public. For example, in my business, we offer $50 off a first-time client treatment, and that's for our organic leads. So you can find that offer on our Instagram or Facebook as well as on our website. For somebody who is a client of ours, I'd like to give their audience even a sweeter deal where they can extend a $75 offer that's exclusive for their referral leads. Have a link so that way they can text the link to their friends where they can get information, but also book an appointment with your business. That's really important. And it should be, ideally something that's very specific to that what that experience, meaning don't send them a link to your website and expect to find out that it was Susie that referred you. Make it a link that's specific to the relationship. I create an offer that's $75 for a specific relationship, and then that link is unique referral link for all the people that she sends. Print it. So make a flyer with this promotional pricing. So if this person gets to offer their audience $75 discount, print it. So in this case, you can see it on the slide here, but I also print it and I made like a little laminated thing. It's a little flyer that can sit at their desk. So when their friends and their colleagues come by, they can say, "Oh, Susie, what is that?" And they can talk about it. On the flyer, it says my information, has like one or two before and after, has a picture of what it looks like to be in my treatment room. So they know this is not a canned marketing flyer. It has the logo or the name or the contact information of the person who's representing, my client. In this case, my client works at a hospital and she's hosting an event at her hospital. And so I put the logo of her and then a QR code with the link, the factual information about how much money they'll save, and then how to get connected, my name, my cell, and my email. And then also the QR code is really important because they can book a consultation with you and then you can convert that lead into a new client. I also like to give, so my clients that, for this case, let's say it's Susie that's referring me people. She did a 10-pack of cryoskin facials, and I like to gift her a gift certificate that she can give to one of her candidates. So she could use it however. She could raffle it on her social. She can give it to her mom, but it's an opportunity for her to be creative about promoting my services to her audience. And then I think it's really fun to create some urgency around it. So create an event or invite them to an event. Have them get credit for the opportunity of promoting your services. So in this case, my client works at a hospital and she's going to host a wellness facial demonstration event at her hospital. And so I made a flyer. It has similar information around the business, the timing of the event, has a QR code for my Instagram. It has a QR code for the link for the $75 offer that is unique to her referral relationship. And then facts about when the event is. And I would say the most important thing about the referral kit, not just that it's easy, like with having all of the components put together for them, and that they're able to share it. So they don't have to text you, "Hey, I have a lead. How should they connect you?" They have all the assets and the tools right at their fingertips. So that way they're able to respond, whether it's a text, here's a link, whether they see them in person, here's a gift certificate or a flyer. If it's somebody they're having at the event, then they can share their socials and connect you or group text you. The one thing that I'd like to stress is in like priority and time sensitive. So the more urgent, I guess, that you treat the relationship, and help them with their audience and treat your future clients as a priority is critical to this ever even taking off, because so many people say they want to refer, but if you don't have some sort of milestone or time period where this starts and ends, or an event that's taken place that's sort of like a deadline to like have them have all these like connection conversations before the event, and then they have like leads and people they can follow up with. So I would treat the relationship with time sensitive, like urgency. And then here's a couple examples. So you could kick off the relationship with like an event, like I'm hosting at her facility. I could host an event. I've hosted many events right outside of my treatment room, and I invite my referral partners so that way they can invite their audience and get treated extra special with discounts and added treatment to make their experience even better. I like to feature the person. I like to say how awesome my client is. I talk about how amazing their results are. And if they're a business owner, or if they have some sort of milestone in the business, celebrate the person they are. Let them know that you're rooting for them, because after all, they probably came to you as a client with some sort of insecurity about the way they feel and look. And now that they're publicly going out there, they're going to want you in their ring cheering them on. So I think that is really critical to the referral relationship. And then you can also give them incentives to create urgency around, like, now that you finished your 10 pack of facials, we have an appointment set up in 2 weeks for your maintenance treatment. Let's see if you can earn that treatment for free by sending me referrals. And that's basically the end of what I wanted to share regarding the referral kit. Just really make sure you're complimenting and you're celebrating your advocate. Help them increase and like promote their platform, whether it's, a fantastic initiative they're taking on, or if it's a fundraiser they're leading, whatever they're doing in their life. Celebrate it and see if you can help them expand their platform so that their initiatives go farther than what they could do for themselves. I like to publicly thank my clients that do this by either thanking them for their support. I will comment on their post, and if they're doing live or any type of like social media, I'll be the first one to show up and give them a thumbs up and say thank you and talk about, something very sincere about the relationship. And it also shows an example. So when people see you having that public relationship with that referral candidate, you're also able to see your network is watching, and they're like, oh, look at that business supporting their clients. I can't wait to either be a client of theirs, or I can't wait to be celebrated and to grow along with this business. So it's really the most rewarding part of our business. When we started over a year ago, we started with building a strong platform of treating clients, getting to know clients, and then learning how to become referable and meeting people to help us with referrals. So it's one of those things that is actually exponential in growth, because the amount of work you do up front lives beyond you constantly putting money or gas into that car. Meaning with marketing and paid ads and activities, you have to constantly be putting pressure on the gas, putting more money into your ad spends. But when it comes to referrals, if you just nurture their relationship, their network is so much broader, and they're able to reach more and be more effective in it. And it's so much more fun when you're surrounding yourself with people that you've helped, that want to help you. And at the end of the day, everyone is looking better and feeling so fantastic. So it just makes life so much more rewarding, and you're going to love your job and you're going to love your clients when you have this type of business model. And that is the end of that. So thank you so much for joining. Feel free to DM me or call me or text me with any questions. I am so excited to work with you on this. So good luck on your referral kits.